2nd of May 2023, Tuesday. Let's have a crazy technical outlook for today, shall we? Disclaimer apply as usual. Let's go. All right, so today the Dow Jones is not going to move much if you ask me, because we have the FOMC meeting on tomorrow, and the result come out on Thursday. So most likely it will be a 25 basis point rate hike. The only thing is that the market will be focusing on whether there will be one more. So it's going to be a pretty dicey one. So that's why most people will not do anything. But based on the chart now, we can see from the TWB Crazii chart. Okay, let's bring in the numbers and show it to you now. Okay, so what we can see on the screen right now is that the market opening price is at 34,045. So the upside potential will be 34,493. The downside potential is 33,949. At the moment, the KSI is green and there's no KCX at the moment. Hence, therefore, the market is kind of bullish. So anytime the market stays above OP 34,045, then one can buy. But interestingly now, the market is trading below OP and it just touched the MLP 34,087, touch and pull back. Usually this is a telltale sign to sell. Now, I'm not even half surprised to see today there'll be some profit taking if, let's say, the market breaks 33,949, because this is a pivot 2 level. Now, based on TWB, breaking pivot 2 is always a good sell signal. So if the market do break the pivot 2, the next target, it should be going on to 33,722. Now, why is that so? Because of the coming FOMC meeting. Now, usually, all right, 10 times, 8 times, we'll see the number going down a little bit towards the FOMC meeting because they are more afraid that things may go wrong. Yeah. So let's see whether this is going to manifest. Okay. All right. Let's look at the NASDAQ right now. The NASDAQ also same thing. Is the opening price at 13,219. The upside potential is 13,376. The downside 13,104. So MLP is at 12,236, where it's right now. So if the market stays above it, the market could be buying up towards 13,765. So 13,376. Okay, so that's upside. Yeah, downside is all right with 13,104. But with the KSI green and KCX blue, KSI green, KCX black, it's going to be very difficult for this market to come down. Yeah, very difficult. S&P 500 also had the same thing. Its opening price at 1461, and it's very near to the pivot 2 of 4153. Hence, therefore, if the market breaks below 4153, there could be some selling. Okay. Now, I suspect the selling, even if it happened, it won't be too far away. Maybe by MA30 at 4123, the market will pick it up, because both the KSI and the KCX are all towards the bullish side of the market. Yeah. All right, so that is the 3 US market for you. Let's just look at the Hang Seng market. Now, Hang Seng today, we did a very big move today. Open at this 19,976, and it shot up all the way to 20,312 level. That's basically 350 points from the opening price. Then for some reason, it reversed itself and came down all the way, crashing down to close at 19,899 for the first session. So what is going to happen? I'm not too sure what's going to happen. But the thing, second session, yeah. But the thing is this: if you ask me, this is a very strong BNB signal. So tomorrow, I suspect that there'll be a new range. It could be all the way up to 20,800. If not, right, the downside could be as low as 19,400 or below. Yeah, because KSI is red, KCX is blank. So this is interesting. That means that the last few days, the boys are dumping the market, and that's why the stock actually came off. But at the same time itself, right, the bullishness is coming back a little bit. All right, probably by someone. And now you can see that it recovered from the bottom. So when you have these two together, it has to be aligned for you to trade. But if you're not aligned, you can use it as a cross-reference to prepare what may happen next. All right, so that's something cool, right? Okay, so that's Hang Seng for us. Let's look at the oil market. Now, the oil market now is also hovering. Everybody's waiting for FOMC meeting. So for the crude oil, the support level is at 74.84. That comes from here, yeah. This is something that from here. So that's very interesting. So the KSI is red and KCX is almost black. I mean, sorry, it's very blue. So if you have red plus blue, usually it's a sell signal, right? It was the red bar. So if you want to sell the market right now, you can sell it at $75.50. And then basically these are the technical points you left. Of course, this will not do. So just informing you guys that if the downside do come in, do watch out for 74.84. That should be the level that a lot of people will be looking at. 7484, yeah. Okay, so you're done on this crude oil. Let's look at something at the currency market. Now, this is the dollar yen. Dollar yen is trying to push itself out. You can see it's trying to say about OP, but it didn't. So pretty flat at the moment. Likely the currency will not be going much ahead of the FOMC meeting. This is pound. The pound is down a little bit. The pound opens at 1.2493 and down to pivot 2. So I suspect that could be the down dollar movement as well. And this is likely happening. The downside will likely be here, which is the fresh chocolate bar at 1.2406. Okay, all right, 1.2406. You can see the KSI and the KCXL, right, is all giving a bit of mixed signal because KSI show power is buying, buys are buying, but KCX showing the momentum is down, which is happening right now. So let's see whether who will be absolutely correct. Yeah. All right, then we are done with the pound. Let's look at the other one, which is dollar yen. I've done it already. Okay, let's just now focus on the gold and silver. Now, gold is still trying to stay around the region of 1978 to 2007. Look at it, the way ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, it's very incredible. That's the reason why I say, as long as you're the TWB system, right, you know what to do. Yeah, it's all there. So, okay, so for gold, you have to stay above 1982 because that's the opening price. If you stay with opening price, we can see going back all the way back to here, the pivot 1 level at 20078. That's fine for this for here itself. Okay, all right. So for this, that will be for me. The KSI for gold is green and KCX is blue. Just shows that the boys are trying to pick from the bottom, but every time they do that, right, the momentum presses it down. So I'm not half surprised that after such a long consolidation itself, the market should be able to pump out a number. So if you look at make it simple, the range itself is between here and here, right? That means about this is the range for both the numbers. So if you combine them together and then you get an answer. So 2007 minus 1978, so that will give you about 35. So that means that if the upside goes up, the next target is here, 2042. The downside potential will be 1935. Yeah, 43. Okay, that will be the next target for gold if the gold price do come down by $50. Okay, from what we are seeing right now, it's likelihood that this may happen. Yeah. Okay, let me just double check 22 plus 35. Yeah, correct. Okay, all right. So let's move on. So that will be the range for gold, and let's look at silver. Okay, this is silver, and silver has just did a strong reversal hammer. And to this DJDD, so by right, if the market stays below opening price, this should send silver tumbling down to $23.89. But the thing is, the altimeter I'm looking at now is definitely 22.53. And this time around, no one should give me any more insights on what they feel because I have basically listened to it and I got wasted the whole run here. So KSI now is red and KSI is basically blinking with about so that the market is actually near a potential bottom very soon. And of course, the thing is that will to face on one big movement first, yeah. But judging from the one looking right now, there's a good chance that this thing can happen to 22.53, and then after that, things will just change around for them. So I hope that this will happen, yeah. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin and Ethereum to wrap it up. Now, Bitcoin yesterday slammed down, lost from 29,200, lost all the way to 27,700. And I've been telling you this, Bitcoin, please turn around. I don't think the buyers are real. I don't think they are really buy to keep. They are mostly speculators and they want to see profit. And if someone leads the show, it will just have to come down and move on. So today, the pivot 1 is 27,740. The pivot 2 is 30,335. So we do expect the market to hover first above OP, which is 27664. As long as it hovers above OP, everything is good. The first target can go with MLP 28,491. Yeah, and that should be a good range for the target. But both KSI and KSX are all in the sell signal position. So that means that if the market breaks below OP, it may break further down, and in this time around, it will go down 27,000 itself. Yeah. Okay, so that is the Bitcoin. And for Ethereum, you can see that Ethereum recently went up all the way and now gave back all the gains. And now for Ethereum, what we can see right now is that the market trying to hold above 1811. If the market holds above that, things are good. But if the market breaks below it, then I suggest that this can go all the way down to 1774 or lower, that is $50 from where we are right now. So what do you think, guys? Leave me in the comment box. Let me know what's your view or any market that you want to see. Scal signing off. Bye-bye.